Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Than 12 players won this game. Zafir, that's a 1,492 euro win for you. Waffle, Bingo Plus, compliments, you're the top 3 winners. Now betting time is available. That was like crazy time, 3 times multiplier. Hey Nick, why don't I open a company of drop shipping? Here's a crazy time. Because I don't watch TikTok videos, which encourage me to make a business, drop shipping. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the bonus round of all the bonus rounds. Now, thanks to the top slot multiplier, 3x, we will enhance the wheel and its multipliers. Alright, ladies, gentlemen. You have 3 options: a green, a blue, a yellow should I say not a multiplier, but flapper. Choose a flapper. Let's see what kind of multiplier it can bring you. If you don't make a decision in time, you can let the game decide for you. You ready? Alright, maximum multiplier 300x. Good luck to you. Oh, look at that. 60x in yellow, 150x in green and blue. $4,757 players won this game. Zafir, Bingo Plus, DLN, and NOV, and my compliments on your success. Betting time is now open. Make a move for the next round. Bets closed.
1,631 winners now, guys. Kumar, Lovey, Falcon, and Crazy. Congratulations. Hey, little Georgie. What's up? Good luck with the next one. Let's continue. Yeah, come on, Georgie. Give us something nice. Good luck with the next game. 7x on cash hunt right now. Yeah, Georgie, you got to give us that 50x. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, let's go. Cash hunt, everybody. And I believe we have top slot this time. Good boy, Georgie. Well done. And here we are, guys. Let's see all the multipliers. Now they're going to be multiplied by as many as the top slot was. Pretty standard board here. Times 7. Oi, 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 look at that. 700x, the big prize here. Good luck, everybody. Let's shuffle it up and take a pick. Now, last time was not too successful with the 10th row and 8th column. So, I'm going to go for, let's say, for the 3rd row, 7th column. Yeah. Should be okay. The duck icon is going to be my pick. What about you? Where do you think the 700 is? Still, all the other prizes are quite decent as well. And time to reveal. Let's take a look. Nice, Georgie, yeah. He outdone himself this time. 350, I go, wow, nice. 700, man, there's so many bonuses I can't even see. Anyway, guys, Jordan wins. Congratulations. Thanks for the session. Until next time. See ya, bye.
Bye, mister. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Simone. I will be with you now for the last session tonight. And woo! Huge congrats on that very juicy cash hand you had at the end of the previous session. What a nice way to wrap it up, right? 700x! No, man.
Big man, I hope you got a 300. So 2,080 hits go to make it top 3. Keep it up. And newcomers, please go for your bets. All the best, guys. What's up, Yui? You're welcome, Oliver. Hey, Lala, I love it, Lala. Enjoy 225 and a lot more to get to. Try to be consistent, Lala. Let's see for crazy time with some top slot guys. Spin is done. Good luck, everyone. Oh, look at that. We got a cash and 10x and top slot plays. No way. Masi, come on. You can. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a cash in with a 10x, guys. Let's go. Look at the beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again to the cash in, but this time, one more top slot there. Where is the 500, 100? Let's see what's the maximum, guys. I couldn't see anything. Okay, let's wait for the tenants to play all over the screen. Okay, there is 100 supplies. It's gonna be 1K mats. It's 1,000, guys. So good luck, everyone. The best wishes to you all. Guys, lovely opportunity. Grab the big multi. Go for the 1,500 or 750. All of us, guys. So players, let me know what segment you're looking for or what segment you're gonna choose. All the best, guys. I'm gonna go for, okay, I can't say it now. We have 10 more seconds left. Good luck, players. So Yana said 12-7. What about other players? Top right corner Lexus. The Joker hat. Okay. Sorry, man, I can't count the 12-7. You got 100. My segment, I got a 500, guys. Let's see how many of you got 1,000 there. 45 of you got 1,000. It's 500 for 258 of you and 4,566 got a victory in total. Top 3 to Robert, Don, Freak Daniel. Enter your top 3 spots and good luck, guys. You're good to go. I'm happy for you, man. What you got, Mr. Moyen? Nashi, Jadi, enjoy 100s. PV, I'm happy for you. 250, 100s for leg. Sir J got a 500. What?
When should I cook? Cook, just cook. When should I land? Because I'm also studying time for another round. So, I think 8 hours is enough for me. Sometimes I sleep more, but that's only when I can. And I give myself a permission to sleep longer. Here's a great time. Look at that, we got crazy time with 3x multiplier. Let's go, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crazy Time. Let's reveal those multipliers. And now let's multiply everything by 3. Now is probably the hardest part. You have to choose a flapper's color. Green, blue or yellow. Which one? If you don't know, you can always choose auto pick. That is always an answer too. The highest multiplier is 300x. Black. Green got 150x, blue 45x, and yellow got a double. Let's double all the multipliers. Now is the highest multiplier, 600x. Good luck. And yellow got 60x. Let's get back. $1,817 winners. Congratulations, time for another round. Place your bets. Well, in this crazy time, the lucky color was green, right?
That's the special one. Those here are the top one. Beautiful. 8 more seconds to place your bets. I have 5 more minutes left. 5 more minutes. No more bets. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Come on. That's the spin we are looking for. The top slot will give us a 7x on coin flip. I mean, okay. coin flip with that, you know, cherry on top. And I'm talking about that top slot 7X, man. That's a big boy. Let's go to the coin flip. Let's see what we can get here. There's the blue side and the red side of the coin. This game is simple. We're gonna get that big win. Trust me on that. 4X and 15X times 7, 105 and 28X. I mean, we're getting that blue one. We're getting it. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Boom. 105 winners. That is your multiplier from the coin flip. Let's go back to the wheel. 1,269 winners. Ha, special one goes to you. And that's why they call me the coin flip master, dude. That's who I am. No worries. Thank you all for playing and enjoying your time. No more bets.
SKW, KKQ, LYN, Kid, and Bingo plus 3R. Yeah, that's our 5. Congratulations, betting time is all yours. One, hello, how are you doing? Welcome. How is your day going? Alright, no more bets. Alright, that's 7X on Pachinko. Alright. Let's see. Pachinko would be lovely, really. Come on. Ooh! Okay. Alright. Are you ready, kids, for this Pachinko? Aye, Captain. Let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome or welcome back to Pachinko. We are back with 7X top slot this time, starting with 3X. Alright. Hello. Right, 2 doubles, 7 times everything. Ooh la la. So what's our highest one? 2 doubles. Our highest one is 280. Ooh, let's get it. Good luck. Alright, let's see. Are you kidding me? 280X from Pachinko, that's 936 winners! Woo! Welcome back to the wheel. Betting time is all yours. Big congratulations to all of the winners once again, especially top 5. That's how we do it. Better clears, good luck.
Bingo, special congrats. Okay, the next number will be a 2. Number 2 is the next number. Let's go. No more bets. $15X on cash on, that's a big one. Wait. I apologize for the inconvenience. We'll resume the game as soon as. I'm joking, man. I'm joking. Look at this. Ooh, let's go. Oh, let's go. This is the board, man. It's time 15, man. It's times 15. That's your multiplier. Multiply those numbers. Come on. Look at this board. Look at it, man. You can't ask for more. 1,500. That's the biggest one. I told you the big win is coming. I told you. You had to believe in it. We all know how this game works. You'll have to take one shot. Do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, man. Yes, Eminem, 15 seconds just for you. Make your decision. Take your shot wisely. And let's go. I have no words, man. I have no words. Let's see the multis. Where was that 150, man? Up there. I hope you got it. Let's go back to the wheel. 1,000.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.